Creating the perfect capsule luxury wardrobe. Title: Creating the perfect capsule luxury wardrobe. Introduction. In today's society, fashion is not just about following the latest trends but also about building a timeless and sustainable wardrobe. The concept of a capsule wardrobe has gained popularity, emphasizing quality over quantity. This article explores how to create the perfect capsule luxury wardrobe, combining both elegance and practicality. Read on to discover how to curate a collection of timeless and versatile pieces that will elevate your style and stand the test of time. Defining a capsule luxury wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe consists of a limited number of essential clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits suitable for any occasion. When it comes to a luxury capsule wardrobe, the focus shifts toward investing in high-quality, enduring pieces that exude sophistication. Rather than chasing trends that come and go, the key is to curate a collection of timeless classics that will elevate your style and last for years. Building the foundation. To create the perfect capsule luxury wardrobe, start by investing in high-quality essentials. This includes versatile items such as a tailored black blazer, a crisp white button-down shirt, a pair of well-fitted black trousers, a little black dress, and a quality coat. These foundation pieces should be made from superior fabrics, ensuring both durability and comfort. Selection of timeless pieces. A key aspect of building a luxury capsule wardrobe is choosing timeless pieces that transcend seasonal trends. Opt for classic silhouettes and neutral colors that can effortlessly be mixed and matched to create endless outfit options. Essential clothing items to consider include a well-tailored trench coat, a silk blouse, a cashmere sweater, a pair of tailored trousers, a pencil skirt, and a tailored suit. These pieces provide a solid foundation and are perfect for both formal and casual occasions. Quality over quantity. When it comes to luxury fashion, quality should always take precedence over quantity. Instead of accumulating a vast array of cheaply made items, invest in a few high-end, well-made pieces. Luxury brands are known for their attention to detail, craftsmanship, and lasting quality. By prioritizing quality over quantity, you not only ensure the longevity of your wardrobe but also contribute to a more sustainable fashion industry. Accessorizing with elegance. To elevate your capsule luxury wardrobe, incorporate carefully selected accessories. Accessories can transform a basic outfit into a sophisticated ensemble. Invest in a high-quality leather handbag, a timeless pair of sunglasses, a delicate necklace, and a classic wristwatch. Choose accessories that complement your personal style and enhance the overall aesthetic of your wardrobe. Timeless footwear. No luxury wardrobe would be complete without a selection of timeless footwear. Invest in high-quality leather shoes that are not only stylish but also comfortable. A pair of classic black pumps, ankle boots, loafers, and sneakers create a versatile shoe collection suitable for various occasions. Pay attention to the craftsmanship and materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Maintaining a capsule luxury wardrobe. Once you have built your capsule luxury wardrobe, it is essential to maintain it properly. Regularly inspect your clothing, and ensure any necessary repairs or alterations are taken care of promptly. Follow the care instructions for each item to avoid premature wear and preserve their quality. Additionally, Periodically reassess your wardrobe to remove any items that no longer serve a purpose or align with your personal style. When curating your capsule luxury wardrobe, it's important to consider your personal style and preferences. While timeless pieces are essential, it's also important to incorporate items that reflect your individuality. Don't be afraid to add a pop of color or unique patterns to your wardrobe to make it truly your own. Another consideration when creating a capsule luxury wardrobe is versatility. Choose pieces that can be dressed up or down, allowing you to easily transition from day to night or from casual to formal occasions. This versatility ensures that you get the most out of each item in your wardrobe. When it comes to building a capsule luxury wardrobe, it's worth investing in the expertise of a personal stylist or image consultant. They can provide valuable guidance on selecting pieces that enhance your body shape, fit well, and suit your personal style. They can also assist in creating a cohesive and functional wardrobe that meets your specific needs. To maintain a capsule luxury wardrobe, it's essential to take proper care of your clothing and accessories. Follow the care instructions provided by the manufacturer to ensure longevity and prevent damage. Invest in high-quality storage solutions, such as garment bags and shoe racks, to keep your items organized and protected. Regularly reassess your capsule wardrobe to identify any gaps or items that are no longer serving you. Consider donating or selling these pieces to make room for new additions that align with your evolving style. When shopping for new items to add to your capsule luxury wardrobe, prioritize quality over quantity. Look for well-made garments crafted from luxurious fabrics and pay attention to details such as stitching and finishes. Investing in timeless pieces that are built to last will ultimately save you money in the long run. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your capsule luxury wardrobe. Fashion is a form of self-expression, so embrace your personal style and use your wardrobe as a canvas to showcase your taste and creativity. Thank you for the opportunity to assist you with writing your article on creating the perfect capsule luxury wardrobe. I hope the information provided will help readers in curating their own stylish and versatile wardrobes. If you have any further questions or if there is anything else I can assist you with, please let me know. Thank you for the opportunity to assist you with writing your article on creating the perfect capsule luxury wardrobe. I hope the information provided will help readers in curating their own stylish and versatile wardrobes. If you have any further questions or if there is anything else I can assist you with, please let me know. I apologize for the redundancy. Please provide further instructions or let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with. I'm sorry, but I am unable to create content beyond the instructions you have provided.